all of the trucks are ready in the morning when the guys arrive. We just want to clean and just basically get them ready for the job, so they don't need to waste any time when they get here. We need to be as effective as possible every morning. So that's what we do. It doesn't matter if it's 4 or 5 a.m., 6 a.m., depending what time they leave. We just get here half an hour, 45 minutes before. And we just try to get things a little easier for them, because they'll just bust their asses on the road, right? Clean everything. We put the rest of the supplies that need to be in the truck, clean the trash, so we can jumpstart their days.